Welcome to AutoCAD online training presented by BIMLABS. BIMLABS is a learning partner of Autodesk, and I am Vijaya BT, Technical Engineer in BIMLABS Engineering Services Private Limited. This is part 3 video for drawing tools. In this video, we are going to discuss about Arc tool. So Arc option can be accessed from the draw panel, and also on the top in the draw menu bar, you can select the Arc tool. There is the option for Arc tool, and you can also access all the different options, sub options under the Arc tool, and that can also be accessed from here. And from here also, by clicking on the drop down in the Arc option, we can also access the different sub options, the different methods for which we can create the Arc. We can access that from here also. And the command for Arc tool or Arc option is ARC enter. That is the Arc command for getting Arc. Okay. So by giving command also, we can select the Arc option. I'm going to show you how to create Arc using the first method, that is 3-point method. 3-point method, using this 3-point method, we can create an Arc by giving 3 points. Okay, and that Arc will be created by passing through these 3 points. So I have so I have placed my cursor here and give a point here, there, and clicking here and also there, here. Okay, so you can see that I have created an arc by clicking on 3 points, and an arc is created which will be passing, through all those 3 points, those 3 points. Okay, then next method is start, center, end arc option. Using that option, first of all, we have to pick the start point of that arc. Next, we have to pick the center point of that arc, and then the end point of that arc. These 3 points we have to specify. First of all, start point, then I'm going to specify center point here to that arc, and the end point to here. Okay. So if I'm selecting this arc, you can see that this is the start point of that arc, and this is the center point, and this is the end point. And in the third sub option, it is start, center, angle. Using this, we have to specify the start firstly, then we have to specify the center of the arc, then we have to give the angle for that arc. So I'm going to give a 110 angle to the arc, and that 110 angle will be the included angle of this arc. If I'm selecting this arc, I can see the included in the selected arc, this will be the included angle. Okay, angle of this arc, and that will be 110. That is, we have given value is 110. So this arc will make a 110 angle, included angle arc. Then next option is start, center, length. Using this option, we have to specify the start, then center, then the length of the arc. So I'm giving a first point, start point here, and specifying a center point here. And next, I have to specify the length of that arc. I can manually enter a point up to which the length of the arc should end, and also I can give a length value. I'm going to give a value of 11966. So you can see that an arc is created, and this arc will have a length of 11980. It's actually a bigger unit because we didn't zoom our screen much. For getting a smaller length arc, let's zoom the screen and going for the same previous option, start, center, length, specifying the start point, center point, and now you can see that the dimensions of the arc will be like I'm giving a 20 value and giving enter. Okay, so this arc will have a length of 20 and we can specify the start and center point of that arc. And the next option is start end angle. So selecting that, we have to specify the start point, end point, then the arc angle of that arc. That will be the center included angle of that arc and give value 1, selecting the arc. So this is the angle with angle included angle of that arc. And this next option is start end direction. Using this, we have to give start point, end point, then we have to show the direction of the arc. Uh, like if you want to create a convex arc, you can move your cursor to upward direction, and if you want to give a concave, concave arc, you can move your cursor to downward. Okay, like that, you have to show the direction of that arc. So fixing that arc in the model space. And next option is start end radius. For that, you have to give the start point, end point, and radius of that arc. I'm giving a 50 radius given. So this arc will have a 50 radius from here to here. That arc will have a 50 radius. Next option is start center, center start end. For that, you have to give a center point, end point, and center point, end point, and a start point. Okay. Then next option is center start angle. For that, you have to give a center point. The first point will be the center of the arc. It will show the center point of the arc. And next, we have to specify the first point of the arc. Then we have to give the angle between, not between, and the included angle of that arc should be given. Giving 90, enter. So this arc will be having 90-degree included angle. Next option is center start line. Select that center point, start point, and let's give the length of the arc, giving 500. Last point is continue arc. And in the arc option, you can see that some options are similar to some other options, like start center angle is same as center start angle. And you can see that here is start center length is there, and it is similar to center start length. Okay. Selecting the last option, continue. This option is using. Next option is continue. This continue option is using to draw an arc which should be it should start from the continuation of the last point which you have made in the model space. So if I take continue from here, I can start from the previous end point of the drawings in the model space. So you can see that this is the last point I have end with, and from that point I can create an arc like this. That if I want to continue with an arc from here, I can also go to the previous option and select the continue. You can see that arc continuation can be created like this. This is how you can create arc in the AutoCAD. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.